Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Here we've got Reset Options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and our device is informing us that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Here you've got the info that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, just tap on Reset and simply wait. As you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.